Lately, we're seeing the same things, running in circles, day after day, waiting, but nothing's changing. We're stuck at the hurdles that get in the way. Feels like this has been a lifetime coming. Oh, open your eyes, be like a child. Life is more than making money. Don't wait for a sign, this is your time. Can't see the race we're running. Turn water to wine, then you'll find life is full of milk and honey. Oh, open your eyes, don't be surprised, 'cause this has been a lifetime coming. Sometimes we stop at the green lights. If only we realize that it's time to go. Seems like we're missing the street signs, caught in a landslide with nothing to hold. Feels like this has been a lifetime coming. Oh, open your eyes, be like a child. Life is more than making money. Don't wait for a sign, this is your time. Can't see the race we're running. Turn water to wine, then you'll find life is full of milk and honey. Oh, open your eyes, don't be surprised, 'cause this has been a lifetime coming. Hold on tight, don't let go, reignite. Hold on tight, don't let go, reignite.